Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to download Google Play Books on the ONYX Boox Go 6. So if you want to download books from the Google Play Books store, what you're going to do is go to the Apps tab on your, it should be at the bottom, and then find the Google Play Books app. It's right here. Go into it, and here you're going to log into account if account is not already linked. So just log into your account, and once you've done that, you can just find the book that you want to buy or purchase. Some books are free, some books are not. So just select the book that you want, and once you've done that, just purchase it and then download it. And that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.